Everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. Okay guys, sorry I had to fix my camera. I'm always saying that seemed like in the beginning of my videos, but before we get to the topic, you should already know what I'm about to say. Like and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos. All right guys, so as we all know, especially those that already have their taxes filed, it is tax season. And I know y'all got a lot of different questions that you may be asking, like, how can the IRS will the IRS, any of my income that I'm receiving from, my tax refund, will it affect my benefits that I'm receiving, from the government for my children? Or even for yourself, you can be a single person that may be receiving SNAP benefits. So you may want to ask those kind of questions because, some of us don't actually know the bracket that we need to be in order for us to keep receiving the benefits that we're receiving from the government. Right, guys? All right, good. So today I did a little bit of research. Y'all will be seeing me looking at my notes. Got my book. Yes, guys, I've been doing research on it because I wanted to be able to give some type of lesson about this, because I have been noticing all through the internet how people have been putting up, oh, y'all better be careful because IRS and your benefits workers may work together, which is true. They're government, right? So you do have to report a lot of things. So you do want to be careful if you're out here doing anything fraudulent, like getting income that you're not reporting to them or anything, because it can affect you in so many ways. So if you're claiming it on your income tax, and let's say they ask to see it and they may see something that you did not, tell them about, that may, affect you in some type of way. So let's jump on into it, okay, guys? So if one of your workers was to ask you, your let's say your food stamp worker was to ask you, can they see your tax refund, you should let them see it. It will not affect your benefits, okay, guys? Not unless it's something that you're not telling them, okay, guys? It should not affect you. So it's good to let them see it. Most of the time they don't ask you for it, but just in case, you just never know. Rules change all the time, right, guys? Rules change all the time. All right. So if you save any of your federal EITC or your state EIC and still have some left over in the third month after you get it, DTA will count the leftover EITC, EIC as an asset. Okay, guys? So let's say you get a tax refund for like maybe 10,000, right? Because you worked and you're gonna get that. So it's not gonna affect you when you get it, because number one, you filed your taxes, you reported everything that you did, and you got your money. Now, when it starts affecting you, like say is May 1st. Okay, that I'm just putting it out there. Or let's go back to the tax season. Say it's March 1st and you get your SNAP benefits on like maybe the 15th or the 13th or whatever, right? And now you have a tax refund that's coming in around that same time. Well, it's not going to affect you. You're going to be able to still get it, right? Okay, so then the following month, it still would not affect you. Now, the month after, it may affect you if you're over the limit. Now, you have to know the bracket that you're under, especially for how many dependent children that you do have, as well as yourself, okay? And if you have a husband, his as well. So all of this stuff does count, okay, guys? So if it's a lot of money being made in a household, it can affect your benefits, okay, guys, especially if you're not reporting it. So please, whatever you do, make sure that you are reporting your income and everything to your caseworkers, because that is very, very, very important, especially when you're doing taxes and stuff too, okay, guys, because they can see that, okay? Like if you're living in housing, they all really do, really, really, really do work together. It's a lot that you really have to do to make sure that you're just being on the up and up, and telling them the truth about everything that you have going on, okay? So now let's see. We're going to talk about cash benefits and your taxes, okay? So let's see here. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to make sure I get back to the right notes of where I was. Where I was. Sorry. I wrote down so much stuff. I was really, really, really doing research because I wanted to be able to share the information with you about it. Okay, so okay, so yes, when I was talking about the benefits as far as the assets or whatever, say for instance, if you got a total of 5,000, right? Like I was telling y'all the third month. This is also dealing with your cash benefits too, I meant to say. So if you got that, you got a total of 5,000. Now, you cannot go over the $5,000 requirement after the third month, because if you do, it will affect your benefits. They will stop your benefits because of the fact that you are over the limit. Okay, so if it's 5,000, you got to stick to 5,000. If you go, 5,010, 5,020, anything over the 5,000, it can affect your benefits. Okay, guys, so you want to make sure you stick to that. All right. So we was on that. And now the question that I had that I was looking at was, does my EIC count against my SNAP food stamp benefits? All right. Now, SNAP food stamps are called SNAP now because a lot of people probably don't know the term, but I do know the term of it as far as SNAP. And there should be a lot of us that know, because even when you go to the stores, they got the sign sitting there big as day, SNAP. Okay, because even when I first saw the sign, I was like, SNAP, what is that? Guys, I'm sorry. I just like to have fun when I'm doing my videos, okay? EITC and EIC, okay, money will not impact SNAP benefits for most people. You heard what I said, right? Most people. Okay. The EITC and the EIC money may impact your SNAP benefits if, number one, if someone in your household cannot get SNAP benefits, is because they broke a SNAP work rule or a SNAP or TAFDC reporting rule, okay? Your asset limit is $2,250. You cannot have more than $2,250 in assets and still get SNAP benefits. That's number one. So you want to make sure that you do not go over that. And like I said, now this here I did get from the I want to give you the reference that I got it from, because I want you to know where I was reading. Mass Legal Help, and it was produced by Welfare Law Unit, Greater Boston Legal Services, and MLRI. Okay, guys, so that's where I got this from. So this here is in Massachusetts, of course, guys. So I did my little research, and I just wanted to kind of throw it out there so that way people can understand, how your tax refund can affect you in any kind of way. Okay, guys. So if you see that the limit is getting over $2,250, then it can affect you and it can't stop your SNAP benefits. Okay. All right. Now, number two, if you are 60 years, if you are age 60 and older, or you are disabled and do not get SSI, and your income is more than $2,080 a month for one person, or $2,818 a month for two people, you have a $3,500 asset limit. So if you go over that limit, then your SNAP benefits can, it can be affected on your SNAP benefits. And that's still, like I said, y'all, within the 3-month rule. So if you have anything that you feel that could affect you getting your benefits, you want to make sure that you're reporting it. Okay, guys, do not report it, because it's going to come up regardless. Okay, so you want to make sure that if you want to keep your benefits going, you want to keep on receiving your benefits, you want to make sure that you're being honest with your worker, and you're being honest as far as even on your tax returns. You want to be honest on your tax returns, most definitely. Okay, guys, I will tell you that. If you did not do any of this work that you are telling people that you do, like for people that's doing all cash businesses, if you're saying that you're doing hair, if you're saying that you're babysitting, if you're saying that you're, doing independent work, please make sure that you're really doing it, because the IRS really do watch out for things like that. So you don't want to lie to them on that note. Okay, guys, you don't want to do that. That's really a federal offense. You do not want to do it. Okay, they will audit, and when they audit, they will take until they get everything that they are due to have. Okay, so just do not mess up out here. Make sure whatever money you get in is definitely the money that you work for and that you made throughout the year. Okay, guys? If you have any more questions, I might have been talking all over myself, and I do apologize. I'm reading as I'm trying to talk to you guys. It's, telling y'all what I just did some research on. But if you have any further questions about what this topic is about, please drop a comment below. Let's talk one-on-one. Like I said, I might have jumbled it up a little bit. I hate it because it seems like when the camera's rolling, I get nervous. I get a ball of nerves. But I hope that this video was very valuable to you. I hope that I helped you out in any way that I can. And like I said, if you have any questions, please drop a comment down below. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to this channel, okay, guys? I will be doing more videos, to be giving you more updates. Also, to let y'all know, for everybody that's waiting on their EITC and EIC, they are now being processed, guys. Hand claps, they are being processed. And so make sure you're checking your mailbox, guys, because if the IRS need further information from you, you may be the reason why your tax return is being held up. So if you're getting mail in your mailbox, check it. Make sure to see what it is that they want from you. They are getting people to verify information. As soon as they receive your information, you'll start seeing a difference. Okay, guys, you'll start noticing your money coming into your account. If you don't receive any letters or anything, sometimes it might take a little longer. If you're looking and you're seeing that you're still stuck at a certain percent is not moving, then you might want to give them a call to find out if it's anything that you need to verify, so that way you can get your tax return. Okay, guys? All right, so this is Matia Ask You. Just wanted to come and talk to you a little bit about taxes and about EIC and EITC and how it can affect you with your benefits that you receive from the government for you and your family. Okay, guys? So I want you all to have a blessed day and see you on the next video. Bye.